Good morning and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at this one. This is the Tamiya Nissan Skyline GTR R34, part number 58 to 69. Okay, here is the box. The box is okay, not the best box, but it's better than many others. Okay, this is the Nissan Skyline R34, the GTR. This is a Loctite version. Here you can see the TA04 chassis. I like those chassis. I have many of those. Okay, we have to open this and check what's inside. Okay, look at the manual later. Oh, okay, nice sound. Okay, we look at this one later. The body. Okay, here is the two belts, the long and the short belt. Okay, look at the plastic of the foam for the tires. We have let's see, a parts, body posts, something for the gearbox. Yeah, something for the suspension maybe. Let's look at this one. This is nice. This is an old mechanical speed controller. That's great. This one came out in, I think, 2000. Okay, we have the covers for the gearbox and some steering parts, the damper towers. Okay, here we have, this is the battery box, and then we have some other for the steering here, and yeah. Got the wheels later. Here we have the dampers, plastic of course. But plastic is okay if you want to drive it just for fun, you know. Okay, the arms, front and rear. This is 257 millimeters, I think. And here we have adjustment. You can choose the ride height on the dampers. You put in the spacers and then lower and higher. Okay, we have steering knuckles, maybe uprights. Yeah, I think so. Okay, here we are. Well, this is for the rear spoiler, the stays or the brackets or whatever. Okay, let's look at the tires. This slick tires, a little discolored after 20 years in the box or in the plastic bag, but this only washed them a little. This is come off. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we have the parts bag. I have to open this and check what's inside. We know what's inside, but still have to check it. Okay, look at the chassis later. And the stickers. Here we have bag B. Balls. Yeah, a little tool and bolts and nuts and things. And here we have body clips and O-rings, foam bumper, We have the spur gear. Here we have the bag, A bag. Here you can see the bevel gears for the differential. You can see grease and some ball bearings and the motor mount and some spacers and drive shafts. Look at bag C. Springs, damper oil, pinion gear, plastic bearings, and this is the rods for the shocks, I think. Here we have body clips, yeah. And the standard 540 silver can. Okay, let's look at the rims, or wheels, or many different names. Ah, nice black ones. I like those one. Those. Okay, the antenna part. And always this not usable information and antenna. Oh. Okay, this is the rear spoiler. You have to cut it and paint it. It's a Lexan. Okay, look at this nice R34. And yeah, I like the Nissan Skylines. This is really nice. They have many different Nissan Skylines, Tamiya, they have R32, R33, or 34, and maybe 35 too. But I like the old ones, the 90s. Here we have the main chassis. Nothing special. Maybe we can see what it says. Not easy, not easy. Okay, put it back inside the plastic bag. Just okay, fits here. Can look at the stickers. Here we have the masking for the windows and the really nice Loctite stickers, and what it says, Xezel. Here you can see, come on, focus. Loctite GTR R34, part number 58269. Xezel. Okay, let's open to look inside. No, not today. It's only Windows masking. Okay, we have the manual. Here you can see how the car looks when it's finished. It's nice, it's nice. Okay, here you have the differential, and some other, the belts, diffs, to put on the suspension. Here you have the belt, you put the front and the rear gearbox. Okay, here you have the battery and the dampers, how to fill them. The same as every time. Okay, put on the motor and put on the pinion gear. Servo, radio. Okay, the tires, how to glue, paint, not paint, glue. Okay, here we have how we put in the batteries. How to cut, how to mask, how to paint, how to put on the stickers. It has to be this way, even it's sometimes boring to look at. The Loctite stickers on the rear wing. And here you can see how you put on the stabilizer bar, but that's an option part, I think. Okay, information. Part number. Yeah, the same. But it's a nice kit. Looks good. Okay, that's all. See you guys later. Bye bye.